Good day everyone. Welcome to this tutorial. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about how to create a stopwatch in using Visual Basic. So let's start. Stopwatch is a timepiece that can be started or stopped for exact timing as of a race or any activity. This is used to design to measure the amount of time that elapses between its activation and deactivation. Using stopwatch, we can have three buttons. One that allows us to start the timer running. One can be the stop. And the third one, we can have it resets. Let's have an example. Let us design our interface that contains one label and three buttons. After adding those controls, let's modify. Let's remove the text inside our label and change its color. As well, with our form, we rename form 1 to stopwatch. And the three buttons containing the start, stop, and reset. After which, we will add the timer. We can double click and then let's modify the properties. So the format of your interval should be set to 1000, which is equals to 1 second, while the enabled property is equals to false. And then double click our timer and let's insert this code. Label 1.text equals the val or value of your label 1.text plus 1. Plus 1 means this will increment the value. And then let's double click, starting with the stop button, and enter the code below. Timer 1 dot enabled equals false. So every time we press the stop button, this will allows our timer or stopwatch to stop. Now, let us now move on to the next part. Let's double click the start button and enter the code below. If the stop button enables false here, in the start, timer 1 dot enabled equals true. And for our last button is our reset button. Enter label 1.text equals 0. This will enable the value to be reset into 0. So let's run our program by pressing F5, then start the button. You will see that there will be a counter, an increment of 1. And since the value of our timer is equals to 1000, which is equivalent to second. So it will move accordingly to its second value. For your activity, I want you to create the digital dice on page 89 to 90. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop all your queries in our Schoology and follow us during our Zoom class. Thanks for watching.